Have you ever wondered what the ultimate freedom machine would look like? Not a luxury sports car. Not a giant RV. And not even a motorcycle. Imagine something that combines all three into one compact vehicle that lets you drive, sleep, cook, and explore the world without depending on hotels or expensive apartments. Well, you're looking at it. This futuristic camper tricycle is unlike anything you've ever seen, and once you discover what it can do, you might never look at traditional camping the same way again. At first glance, it looks like a concept vehicle built for a Hollywood science fiction movie. The sleek body, sharp headlights, aerodynamic curves, and unique three-wheel layout immediately grab your attention. It's the kind of vehicle that makes people stop, stare, and ask questions. Wherever it travels, it becomes an attraction all by itself. But this camper isn't designed just to impress people. It's designed to completely change the way people travel. Most RVs are built with one goal: more space. But more space also means more weight, higher fuel costs, more difficult parking, and limited access to many roads. This camper takes the opposite approach. Instead of making everything bigger, it makes everything smarter. The designers focused on efficiency. Every inch serves a purpose. Every feature solves a problem. Every detail improves the experience. And that's exactly why this tiny camper has become one of the most fascinating mobile homes ever created. From the outside, the body appears incredibly modern. The streamlined shape cuts through the wind with ease, improving stability and fuel economy during long trips. The LED lighting gives it a premium appearance during both day and night, while the panoramic side windows instantly make the camper feel more connected to the outdoors. Unlike traditional campers that often look bulky and outdated, this one feels futuristic from every angle. The three-wheel setup is another major advantage. It offers excellent balance while keeping the vehicle compact enough to fit into places where large motorhomes simply cannot go. Imagine driving through narrow mountain roads, exploring tiny villages, parking beside hidden lakes, or stopping at scenic viewpoints without worrying about finding oversized parking spaces. That's exactly where this camper shines. Now let's open the door. The interior immediately surprises almost everyone. Looking from the outside, it's difficult to imagine that so much can fit inside such a compact vehicle. But once you step in, everything starts making sense. The cabin has been designed using the same philosophy found in luxury yachts and tiny homes. Nothing is wasted. The seating area is comfortable enough to spend hours relaxing after a day of driving. Large windows surround the living space, allowing natural light to enter from every direction. Instead of feeling confined, the cabin feels bright and welcoming. Morning coffee becomes something special when you're surrounded by forests instead of apartment buildings. The dining area quickly transforms into a sleeping area with only a few simple adjustments. This flexible furniture system allows travelers to enjoy both comfort during the day and restful sleep at night without sacrificing valuable living space. The bed itself provides enough room for a relaxing night's sleep. Proper insulation helps maintain comfortable temperatures, while carefully placed ventilation keeps fresh air flowing throughout the cabin. Imagine sleeping beside a peaceful river. Imagine waking up surrounded by snow-covered mountains. Or opening your door directly onto a quiet beach. Those experiences become everyday life when your home travels with you. Storage is another masterpiece of engineering. You might wonder where luggage, clothes, cooking supplies, and camping equipment fit. The answer is almost everywhere. Under the seats. Above the windows. Inside hidden compartments. Behind removable panels. Every available space has been transformed into useful storage. Instead of clutter, everything remains organized and easy to reach. Now let's move to the kitchen. Even though the space is compact, it includes nearly everything required for preparing meals on the road. There's a